Are you tired of squinting at tiny text on your computer screen? Or maybe you have trouble reading due to a visual impairment or weak eyesight? Well, have you ever tried using your computer's text-to-speech feature? This useful feature reads aloud the content on your screen, making it tremendously beneficial for those with visual impairments. And it's not just for those with visual impairments. Text-to-speech technology is becoming more acceptable and appealing for artistic creations as artificial intelligence advances. But how can you make the most of this technology? Here are some benefits of using text-to-speech. Natural and human-sounding voices improve customer experience. A consistent brand image may be ensured by deploying a single TTS voice across different touchpoints. It reduces call center agents' burden by allowing them to vocalize dynamic material. It improves customer service while lowering operating expenses by boosting automation. TTS makes your information accessible to a broader audience, including people with literacy issues, learning impairments, low eyesight, and language learners. Now that you know the benefits, here are some tips for improving your text-to-speech experience. Use punctuation. You would be astonished how punctuation can influence how a screen reader reads your content. A screen reader uses the punctuation signals to provide meaning to the phrase. Regardless of the punctuation you use, the intonation and tone will change. Add a listen feature to your website/blog. Give your users the option of having the text read to them by just clicking a button. Understand errors. A text-to-voice software will frequently generate a list of terms depending on what it has heard. This is precisely what the tools were made for. It might be difficult to determine which word string it has heard. While predicting the wrong word is a classic challenge in speech technology, since it presents many types of potential mishearing that sound similar, it is also one of the most difficult. However, a complete sentence may be understandable. Make corrections. Speech recognition software frequently learns from your corrections. Because most of these technologies rely on artificial intelligence and deep learning technology, this is the case. As a result, they'll memorize your revised terms and employ them in the future. Always proofread. Every speech-to-text program accounts for a certain amount of mistakes. Reread your messages and make any necessary corrections. While text-to-speech technology works amazingly well for several users, it does have some limitations. For example, the outcome is an unnatural and soulless speech. This is due to the impossibility of capturing all conceivable words said in possible emotional, prosodic, and stress combinations. But don't worry. Text-to-speech technology is constantly improving, and following these tips mentioned above might help you achieve greater outcomes.